Hi everyone, so I'm back with another bundle to sell. Having a really good clear out, and there may be more stuff, I don't know. I've already put up a lace bundle, lace ribbon and flowers, I think it was. So this one is stencils, dies and stamps. Okay, so obviously the stamps are like miscellaneous. I'll show you them in a minute. We've got a selection of dies, nesting dies in there. We've got some Tim Holtz stencils. They have been used, everything's been used, they're not like brand new obviously. So this is the eye chart one, and this is the rays one. It's like a sunshine ray, so you've got them two. Then the nesting dies is, this one is the Spellbinders Nestabilities, and it's a 4, so that's what they look like. That's the dies. Still a little bit of paper in there actually. So there's that one. Then there's this X cut, and again nesting dies. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And does it show you on the back? No. These can be used in your well, any cutting machine really, you know, like your Big Shot, Cuttlebug, if they still do that. The other one that Tim Holtz has got, can't remember what it's called. Vagabond, that's what it's called. So there's that, and you can layer them all up, same as that one. Then this is just a little flower die. It doesn't, I haven't got the actual, like this kind of packaging on it. What's it called? It's just a little fancy flower die. And then we've got another flower die here. This is from Nelly something. Nelly's Choice, and this is X cut. So there's them. Then we will go on to the stamps. So we have this, that's been put in there the wrong way, upside down and everything else. Is it that way? Yes. So that's what it's like. I think I've only ever used the Free Spirit one, but you've got that just flying by to say like happy birthday. It's got a little banner, you don't have to use the happy birthday. It's got little, that looks like little birds there, bird cage, birds here. So there's that one, and I'll put that back in there in a sec. These, I've obviously used them. I use Stays On with them. I'm going to actually give them a little clean. These are London stamps. So you've got the London bus, you've got the London tram from years ago, a London police officer, and it says Portobello Road, which is West 11. That's on there. It says W11, West 11. And then this one we've got the London Eye. I couldn't think what it was called. Big Ben, a London bus, and I think that's Parliament there. But they do work. Then we've got this Crafter's Companion, and it's this lovely lady. I've never used that. As you can see, it's still all in that form, and that is it's a rubber die, so I think you'd have to cut all that out. That's probably why I didn't use it. Then there's this one. It's got stitches. What is it called? Full stitch and scribbles. So you've got like I have used some of these, and it's got little things like hello, happy birthday, thanks, with love for you, and then it's got the little banners you could actually stamp things inside of, or just stamp them and cut them out. So there's that die. Who's that by? I don't know. Sweet something or other. I don't know. Okay, this one doesn't come, I can't find the packaging for that, but it's mason jars and little banners, save the date, you're invited, for and from, but you don't have to use them one if you're using these for journal making. And then that's like the label that you would put on the mason jar. So there's that. Then I don't do Halloween. So this is a Graphic 45 Halloween stamp. And as you can see, I do like that though. But anyway, I don't use them. Then we've got some alphabet ones. We've got lowercase and uppercase. So you could like write your own words with them. And it's got some like exclamation marks, question mark, and a little asterisk. Asterisk, is that what it's called? Then this is little borders. So you could do the little corner borders there for the corners of your pages, and then if you wanted to stamp little things on there. So there's that. So that is the bundle of, I'll have to put that back in, stencils, stamps and dies, and that will be in my shop, and you can find the link for that below. Thanks for watching. Bye.